Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up automated investing with Robinhood Markets step by step clearly. Open the Robinhood app or website and log into your account. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one by following the prompts. Once logged in, navigate to the main dashboard to access your investment portfolio. Look for the Investing tab on the bottom menu and click on it. In the Investing section, find the Recurring Investments option. Select this option to set up automatic investments. You will see a list of eligible securities. Choose the stock or ETF you want to invest in on a recurring basis. After selecting a security, click on the option to set an investment amount. Decide how often you want this investment to occur. You can choose from daily, weekly, or monthly intervals. Once you've made your selections, confirm the frequency of your investment. Next, verify your funding source for these transactions. This will typically be your linked bank account. After confirming your funding source, review all your selections. Ensure that the investment amount and frequency meet your preferences. When everything looks good, click the Submit button to finalize your automated investment setup. You should receive a confirmation notification about your recurring investment. Now, you are all set for automated investing with Robinhood Markets. Check back regularly to monitor your investments and make adjustments if necessary. Stay informed about market changes that may impact your. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.